Project code ITPW09. Project title Step down switched inductor hybrid DC to DC converter for small power wind energy conversion system with hybrid storage. Actually, for the conversion, wind energy conversion system have wind turbine which is coupled with the powertrain and which is connected with the generator. It may be PMSM or induction generator. Generated output we get is three phase. This whole setup is called as wind energy conversion system. For the small power application like the DC microgrid application, you have to use the small power. That the time the wind energy conversion system AC output is converted into DC. After that, we have to, because it produces a high power, high voltage, so we have to reduce it by using buck converter. But in existing concept, this buck converter having more switches and devices, more switches and other devices, other components. Actually, in existing concept, the switched capacitor and the switched inductor based DC to DC step down converter, but it requires five diodes, three inductors, and four capacitors and one switches. Normally, the switched capacitor and switched inductor is only used for high gain application. The existing have the drawback of high cost, which is low reliable, and while using the passive and active switches, it is not compact. So due to the drawbacks, it is not suited for wind energy conversion system. The proposed concept is only the switched inductor based hybrid DC to DC converter, which requires only the low devices or components. It requires only one switches, one MOSFET switches, and only two diode. In existing concept having the five diode and limited number of inductor and capacitors. So the cost and all the parameters are low in a proposed concept, and it is mainly suited for the small power wind energy conversion system. Black diagram: wind energy conversion system is coupled with the proposed converter and which is fed to the grid, DC microgrid or load or battery, etc. And we have to control the proposed converter using the PWM controller. Application: it is mainly used for wind power application and energy storage application and microgrid application. The system is implemented using MATLAB 2015 version, and when using the PIC microcontroller for the hardware prototype, we have to feed the program to it, which is used by MP tool. The minimum hardware requirement is MOSFET, transformer, and PIC microcontroller and other active and passive components. Thank you.